welcome back guys to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diets. I'm Dr. Lou. Now, what we're looking at here is we're looking at oils and fats on the keto diet. Which oils should I have? What can help me? What can promote the diet? I don't want to have something as well that would be seen as dirty keto or not nutritious for me. So that's why it's important to choose your oils carefully. I personally use olive oil. So extra virgin olive oil, I usually use that at the moment, and I supplement it with butter. I use butter for cooking or frying, and I also use it to add into things. And like for example, my recipe for keto ice cream, a bit of butter goes in there. That really helps it with its structure. So again, that's a very important thing. You can use lots of them, and we're going to look at the top 5 that you can have, and they're perfect for a keto diet. Okay guys, so coming in at number 1 has to be extra virgin olive oil. Now, I use this a lot as well myself. So extra virgin olive oil, best overall oil for keto and health. Yes, they're a bit more expensive, but they go for usually a natural process where they're pressed. They don't have lots of chemicals added, then taken out or evaporated off in that kind of process, and then you're left with it, but you still have some of those chemicals left in the oil. So that's the main thing you have to understand. So look in here, why olive oil? So extra virgin olive oil, best overall oil for keto and health. Why? Why is it the best? It's heart healthy, good fats. We all know this about olive oil. It's no secret. It's been out for maybe 20, 30 years, quite popular in the UK. Anti-inflammatory, powerful antioxidants in there. So it actually promotes your health, gets rid of free radicals, supports fat burning, perfect for ketosis. It helps fat burning. What else can you want when you're on a fat burning diet? Supports immunity, stronger body defense, and high in monounsaturated fats, clean and stable energy. What else would you want? I don't think you can go for anything else like this. It's absolutely perfect for a keto diet. So what do we say? Number 1, virgin extra olive oil, and you can use it for cooking, but remember, you don't want to go too high in the temperatures. So it's really good for frying in most temperatures, but when it gets too high, it's not fantastic. So you can go on to other things to do really high frying. Now, again, they say always be cautious with it. I never go too high for olive oil. It's never that much of a problem for me, but we'll talk about that later for another one on this list. So that's number 1. Let's look at number 2. So number 2, avocado oil. So yes, we know avocados are fantastic. They're conducive for being on a keto diet. They have some carbs, but they're a fantastic source of healthy oils. So now we're looking at this. Why is it so excellent for high heat? So this is different. Now you can use it for high heat. It's a better one for high heat than extra virgin olive oil. But overall, again, as you're saying, that's only if you're going really high heat. So high smoke point, so it takes 250 degrees Celsius to get smoking. You've got heart, which is healthy because from good fats. You've got rich in monounsaturated fat. You've got support heart and brain health. All positive so far, nothing there negative, and it can go to the high heat. Stable and low oxidation, that's fantastic. Doesn't break down easily, fantastic. You don't want any of these problems. You want the oil to do its job and function with no issues. Neutral flavor, perfect for any dish. So that's awesome. Olive oil does give a distinct flavor a bit more, but you'll probably use olive oil a bit more for salads and other things as well. Again, this avocado oil is suited to high temperatures. So it's another good healthy oil. You know it's healthy. It comes from something that is advocated on a keto diet because it makes a fantastic, bacon and avocado breakfast. Mix it up, bit of vinegar, salt and pepper, absolutely delicious. Now, so that's number 2. Let's jump on to number 3. So guys, number 3, let's have a look here. Number 3, we have coconut oil. So we can see coconut oil. This is quite interesting. Some people have started using this a lot more. I've never used it. I don't know hardly anyone. I know one person who's used it, and that was many years ago. Now, best for keto energy and metabolic support. So why is that? Now that's going to be quite easy. So you're going to understand why this is positive for a keto diet. So why is it positive? So it's rich in MCT. So those MCT oils, there you go. rich in it for coconut, you know they're going to be conducive for making ketones. So quick energy in ketones, so that's all sorted. Supports fat burning, perfect for ketosis, there you go. Antimicrobial properties, handy. Supports gut and immunity. You've got high smoke point at 230 degrees Celsius, so good for high temperatures, and natural and versatile, great for cooking, baking, and more. So again, it seems to have multiple roles. It's got a high heat, but it's conducive because of ketones. And so that is another addition and quite beneficial for a keto diet. So guys, so number 3, coconut oil, there you go. Another one, maybe one to try. I personally haven't tried it. I probably will one day, but you know, that would be quite interesting. Okay, so here we go, number 4. So now we're looking at the oil or fat. Now this is a fat, obviously it's solid at room temperature. So you've got butter. Now this is my personal favorite. Butter is absolutely awesome when you want to push the boat out on flavor. I will fry fish, I will fry steaks, I will put it on top of my salmon. I'll put it everywhere I can. Absolutely fantastic and delicious flavors with a bit of salt on that, and it just makes it next level. So when you come to cooking and you're not going up to high temperatures, because it will burn easily, yes, it will start smoking at a very low temperature, and so it's good to cook it slowly on a slow temperature, or throw it into an air fryer. Absolutely fantastic, works a treat. So again, butter isn't just for frying, it's for spreading on things, it's great for flavoring, it's great for frying in it. It's a brilliant one for adding awesome flavor, and it's fine and it's good for a keto diet. So let's have a look. Rich flavor, right, that's off the bat, everyone knows that. Grass-fed is preferred, that makes it even better. So you've got real nutrition, perfect for everyday cooking. Rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K2. You have supports hormone health from healthy saturated fats. You also have great for low to medium heat cooking. So it still works quite well, but don't touch the high end. Ideal for eggs, sauteing things, and also more. So again, yes, egg butter is fantastic. You can do loads of things. It's awesome. And here, supports brain and nerve function, so because it contains choline and healthy fats. Choline is awesome, it comes in eggs, it's used for your brain. Remember, neurotransmitter is a precursor to make acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter, very important for your brain. So again, fantastic. Now, natural and minimally processed, real food, real benefits. There you go, it's natural, there's not much processing, it's fat from milk. It's lovely, we're so used to milk, it's an awesome part of our lives, and especially in Europe. Now, that's awesome, everybody knows butter, everybody loves it. Okay guys, moving on to number 5. Now this is one that was used a lot in the old days and is still fantastic for flavor. Here we go, beef fat, tallow. Now, this is one that is when you want to have a fantastic flavor. It makes things awesome. It gives a really interesting coating sometimes to your mouth, but the flavor is next level. So I used to remember when I used to go down a place just down the road, used to have tallow fried fish and chips. Oh, fantastic. And the whole idea is that is where you understand now, look at your nutrients, look at your science, understand what's good for you, what isn't. These things that would be seen as bad for you are actually very highly nutritious and good for you. So, ultra stable and high heat power, fantastic. Extreme heat stability, perfect for high heat cooking, awesome. Natural animal fat, next level, taste. Traditional and nutrient dense, what else can you ask for? No oxidation at high heat, doesn't break down easily, long-lasting energy, satisfying and sustaining, it certainly is, yeah. Traditional cooking fat, time-tested, kitchen and trusted. So this is kitchen trusted 100%. I know many people in the old days who used this, and that fish and chip shop just went back to using it and made it next level again. You want tallow for awesome things. People usually use it on their spuds to make them crispy for roast. Next level awesome. So guys, tallow. Now that's the top 5 of the oils and fats that you can use to cook or add flavor to your keto diet. Now, they're all fantastic, they're all tasty, they're all conducive in the keto diet. Again, as I said, I use olive oil. It's convenient, it's easy to buy, and it's also got no massive problem with it. I use butter as well, that produces excellent flavor. Then if I can get some tallow, obviously I'll probably use that as well if I'm doing it, and I actually usually like that on a normal diet for chips, or add some really obviously lovely flavors. Now, the whole idea is, again, you choose what you want. These are all conducive on the diet, and I hope you liked the video, guys. So please, thumbs up. Any questions, pop them in the comments, and please subscribe. Okay, guys, see you on the next one.